Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do an education video regarding the CBT Numeracy exam. So if this is your first time watching my channel, please do subscribe, share, like, and comment about my videos. If you are watching my videos without subscribing, please subscribe my channel to support me, and you are just showing your interest watching my videos, and you are just supporting me to do more videos. Okay, so just go and discuss the questions and answers. Okay, many people have asked me, like when I'm converting to higher to lower or lower to higher, I'm always confused. I'm just confused with the formula. So what will I do? So that's a short and quick and easy what's that trick. So that's the way you can remember. Just go through with that. Okay, if you just remember 1 kilo means how many milligram is that? 1 kilo is milligram. No, it's not. 1,000 gram is 1 kg. Okay, so that means what you did, if you just, how will you get to 1,000? 1 multiply 1,000 is equal to, you got 1,000. Okay, so same thing, like if you want to if you want to get like you have to convert the gram to kilo. Like just imagine 1,000 gram, so you wanted to get kg. Okay, so if you need to get a kg, what do you do? 1,000 multiply 1,000. So how much you get? 1 kilo. So if you just remember this simple thing, you can just do all other mathematics. Okay, so just remember that. And another thing I will say, so I hope you understand this rubbing off. I hope you are able to see all these questions. Some people were saying like they can't, it's not very clear, that's why I kept near. So another example I'll say, first one, if I just write like so if I say, just imagine is kilo, this is gram, milligram, microgram, then it going to nanogram. Okay, so it's just like coming down. Okay, if you're just going from here, like same way, so this is nanogram, nano, micro, milligram, and kg, just vice versa. Just for the easy, I'm just saying. So if you are going down like that, always multiply. Okay, so if you're going up, always divide. Okay, so just remember another thing. So this is the second way. Okay, so if you just remember, if you're coming down, so just say you are going to do my milligram. Okay, so you have 1,000 milligram you have, yeah. So you wanted to convert into microgram. So what do you do? just multiply. Okay, so microgram. Same thing if you want to like 2000 microgram, you need to convert to milligram. So microgram to milligram. So what you do, you divide it by 1000. So how much you will get? If you easy method, this isn't it? So you will get the answer. So 2 milligrams. So I hope this formula you will remember. Okay, so another method I will show you. If you have a question like convert 500 ml to liters. So you know liter and milliliter, yeah. So we have to convert 500 ml to liters. So this is small amount and this is the higher amount, isn't it? So what for our formula, what you do is for the smaller to higher version, what you do, like you have to divide, yeah. So 500 by 1000. So how much you get? Like half liter and then half liter, yeah. So the other way I wanted to explain you, like you have the question is how much ml you have to convert. So 500 ml, yeah. So if you have to move to the right, three numbers move to the right, okay, 1 2 3. So if you put a point there and a 0, that will be the answer. That means 0.5 liter. Another example I will show you. I don't know how you understand this question. So if I want to show you another question I will show you. If you want to just instead of that, you want to do 2000 ml, okay, 2000 ml to liters. So forget about this formula. I'm going to show you the other way, the way I said now. So if just imagine you have to convert 2000 ml to liter, yeah. So this is the small amount and to the higher amount, yeah. So what you do, what I said, you have to place a point 3 numbers to the right. So 1 2 1 2 and 3 point here, yeah. So how much is a 2 liter? I hope you understand. This is the very easy method I can say. Same like this, if you want to convert 2 liter, I will use the different one, so that's very easily you understand. If you want to convert 2 liter to ml, what you have to do, this is 2 liter, yeah. You have to place a point like 3 numbers to the right, okay, 3 numbers to the left. So that means 2, then so 2000 ml. Do you understand? You know why we are placing these 3 zeros? Because how you do, like if you want to convert the higher amount to the smallest amount, you always multiply or divide into 1000. That's from that 1000 we got that 3 zeros. That's why I place it. Okay, so just imagine if you want to convert 1780 ml to liter, how do you do? So what I said, 3, if you have to convert to the small dose to the higher dose, you have to place the point 3 numbers to the right. Yeah, so 1 2 3. So how many liter? 1.78. If you want to use a 0, it's okay. Otherwise, this is the answer. Okay. So same way you can calculate all the questions. It's a very easy way. Maybe if you forget the other formula, you can just use this way. Okay. I hope you understand. You all know kilo to gram, gram to microgram, milligram, milligram to microgram, microgram to nanogram. So going downward. Okay. So don't forget that. Another question. A syringe contains 10 milligram of morphine in 5 ml. What is the concentration in mg per ml? That's the question. Okay. So 10 milligram of morphine dissolved in 5 ml of what? Normal saline. What's the concentration? So what do you do? 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 milligram per ml, isn't it? So 2 milligram contain per ml. You understand? So if somebody asks you questions like that, you will understand, or you know how to calculate this type of questions. Okay. Another question is, a patient is prescribed 0.08 milligram of tablet. You have 50 microgram tablets. How many tablets you give? So how you calculate it? So milligram to microgram. This is a small dose. Okay. So how many tablets do you give? So first you have to convert the, if you want to, you can convert the milligram to microgram. Okay, so if you convert, my formula 0.08 milligram to microgram means you have to small number to the higher number. Yeah, so no, yeah, small number to the small to more, I mean higher number to the smaller number. If you multiply 0.08 means you will get 80 microgram. Yeah, so 80 microgram tablet you need to give. So 80 divided by 50. So how many tablets you may need to give? Let's calculate. Okay, so you have to give a 1.6 tablet. It's not, you can't give 1.6 tablets, so 1.5 tablets. Okay, this is only, I just made it up, so for the calculation basis only, so don't worry. Okay, this question, a patient require 30 milligram of morphine sulfate, 10 milligram per ml is written on the bottle. How many ml you will give? How many ml you give? So how will you calculate it? So the prescribed dose, I mentioned this formula before, the doctor's order divided by hand into ml. Yeah, so doctor's order means 30 milligram divided by 10 into 5. So how much you give? Like a 10 divided by 3, that means 3. Yeah, 3 into 5, 3 into 5 is equal to 15 ml morphine you will give. Okay, so this type of questions comes, you know how to find out. I am just repeating and making different questions so you understand how to answer it. Okay, this type of question usually comes in for the exam. So how many ml drawn? They give you a picture of a syringe contains some liquid and they ask you how many ml is drawn. So you can see this is up to 1 and this is 1.5. So you have to write 1.5. ml. This type of question usually comes for the exam, so make sure you know what's that. Okay. There is a last question usually will be the IV fluid chart, like the intake and output chart. So they will give lots of measurement, like with oral, IV, all that. Then the vomit, urine, feces, if it is in liquid, they may write in that as well. So you have to calculate. So you have to calculate all the oral. So then you have to write it here. So the oral 250, 150, 50. So 200. 400, 450. Yeah, 450 is the oral. They will give you a pen and paper, or they will make a magnet, so you can calculate there, or you can use the calculator on the desktop. Okay, so NS is 1000 ml given in 1 hour. Okay, so plus 1000 ml. So how much is the total input? 1450 ml. Okay, 1450 ml. Then this is the output, 75 plus 1600. So 1675 ml is the output. Yeah. So how you make the balance? Input minus output. So you will, how much you will get? You will get a minus 225 ml, because that means it's a negative balance. The patient is not drink enough. Patient didn't have enough input. So output is more higher than the input. That means it's a negative balance. So you write negative. Okay, negative. Okay, this type of questions usually comes. Okay, that's another type of question. This another type of question. 1000 ml compound lactate should be transfused for 6 hours. So how many ml per hour you have to transfuse? So how you calculate 1000 divided by 6? How much you need to transfuse? When you calculate, like, you will get 166.666. So if you are giving the fluid through the the volumetric pump, so you can adjust the volume 166. Okay, so this is another type of question usually come across in the exam. Okay. Doctor prescribed 1 gram of paracetamol and you have 500 milligram of tablet. How many tablet you give? So what you do, 1 gram means 1000 milligram. So 1000 milligram means 1000 divided by 500 is equal to 2. So 2 tablets you will give. So this is another type of questions always come for the exam. I have explained most of the questions come across for the CBT exam. If anything I haven't mentioned, please comment below. I will discuss later. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share, like, and comment about my videos. I hope this video will be useful for your CBT exam, who are preparing for the CBT exam. Numeracy is not a very difficult question. Once you know the formulas and how you need to calculate, and don't get panic when you are doing the exam. It's only 15 minutes. You all know, like, you have to answer 14 questions, right? I mean, you have to answer 15 questions, but 14 questions should be answers should be right if you need to pass the exam. So very careful, be vigilant. Okay, so bye bye and take care and all the best.